All right, those were my little potatoes that I cut and washed and put into my aluminum tins. Next, I'm coming in with some cooked pulled chicken, and we are gonna distribute our 1 pound of cooked pulled chicken into our 4 little tins. This is such a great idea for, if you're having a party and you want everyone to have their own individual servings. It's great for meal prep. It's honestly so yummy and so easy. You can just whip it all together and everyone will love it. But let's go ahead and get that chicken evenly distributed. Next thing we're gonna bring in is our cooked bacon, and we're gonna go ahead and chop up our bacon right on top of that chicken. You can add as much or as little as you like. You can even buy the already cooked bacon bits and just crumble those on top, but I love cooking up my own bacon and throwing it on top of this easy dish. So I'm using about 6 slices here that I'm evenly distributing between the 4 little containers. So let's get that going. Yummy. Now for seasoning, we are gonna do our ranch seasoning. I absolutely love ranch seasoning, so we're just gonna do a nice sprinkle on those entire things, on the potatoes, on the chicken, and on that bacon. Obviously, if you don't like ranch seasoning, you can substitute for some garlic, onion powder, whatever you like, but I think that this is gonna be so good. And we used about 1 packet's worth of our ranch seasoning. Now, right after our ranch seasoning, we're gonna bring in our whipped cream cheese. You can use regular cream cheese, but this was on sale, so I got the whipped. And we're gonna go ahead and add a few scoops of our whipped cream cheese right on top of that bacon and that ranch seasoning. If you guys are familiar with cracked chicken, then you will love this recipe. It is my meal prep take on cracked chicken. It is so good and it comes together very, very quickly. We just got to make sure we get enough cream cheese in each of these so that we get that nice creamy taste that everyone loves. All right, I think we could do about 4 scoops in each one if we're using this whole container, which we might as well use the whole container since we have it. Perfect. Before we move on, I'm just gonna grab a spatula and kind of flatten those down so they're not just big lumps. They will get nice and melty in the oven, but for now we just wanna make sure we have a nice flat surface for our last ingredient, which I bet you guys could probably guess it. It is a staple in this house, but we really need to make sure that everything gets coated in that yummy cream cheese. My mouth is starting to salivate from all these delicious flavors coming together. Oh yeah. Okay, that looks pretty good. It doesn't need to be perfect, but we're gonna finish this off with our shredded cheddar cheese. But I love cheddar with these flavors. I just think it really pulls everything together. And we're just gonna kind of sprinkle that right on top, just like so, evenly distributing our whole bag of cheddar on these 4 containers. These amounts are perfect for these little aluminum loaf pans that you can just get at your grocery store, at Target, at Walmart. They pretty much have them everywhere nowadays. So we're gonna go ahead and spread that out. They even come with little lids, so if you are meal prepping this, you can just put the lid on and pop these in the fridge. But that is it, you guys. Our little potato chicken dinners are ready to go in the oven. My oven is set to 350, and this is gonna be in there for about 40 minutes. All right, look at our crack chicken potatoes. They smell so good. I do regret not shredding my own cheese because this cheese is not it, but you know what? It's probably still gonna taste amazing. All right, let's give this a try. You can give it a nice little mix if you want. Oh, we got cream cheese, the potatoes, everything is cooked perfectly with that chicken. All right, let's find a good potato. Oh, look, it's gonna be really, really hot, so make sure to blow on it. Wow, that is so delicious. The cream cheese brings the perfect moisture. All those flavors go beautifully together. Oh, you guys are gonna love this one.